no surprise I won't be here tomorrow. I can't believe that I stayed till today. Yeah, you and I will be, it's a fact to follow. But I know in time we'll find this was no surprise. Came out like a river once I let it out, and I thought that I wouldn't know how. Held on to it forever, just pushing it down. Felt so good to let go of it now. Wrapped in the same river, shouldn't have to give a reason why. It's no surprise I won't be here tomorrow. I can't believe that I stayed till today. There's nothing here in this heart left to borrow. There's nothing here in this soul left to say. Don't be surprised when we hate us tomorrow. God knows we try to find an easier way. Yeah, you and I will be a tough act to follow. But I know in time we'll find this was not a favorite place we used to go. A warm embrace that no one knows. The love it looks right at your eyes. That's why it's sometimes there's no surprise. If I could see the future and how this plays out, I bet it's better than where we are now. But after going through this, it's easier to see the reason why. It's no surprise I won't be here